You are the person. Bakit nag-conflict? Why? Kasi that is the one. Dapat si Ricardo mag-stay here. Is the pastor with the rain. So meaning in the future, you're just power pang mother. Power pang mother. That is the rain. Kasi mag-absit. Or is the training? That is it. If you don't, no, it's wrong. So the training. It's not normal. It's not. No, all of you learn all your charts. Our purpose with it. Kasi our purpose is with the light. We are not religion. We obey God. So first we try the most. Okay? Don't like that. That is meaning now you understand why God is doing pastor care. And we are responsible. Not to certify care. You care the church. Now you understand. So first, here we care. And tapos, you care the church. Meaning, become lulu. You teach the son. You care the son. Tapos, ang son, what we do? Care. So now you understand. Clear some of this. Learn. Important that is the learn. That is why you want to work. When learn. Well, now some the dead. Sorry. Your training is kulang. Pa. You know what does it mean? Pa. Meaning you are not faith. You know why? Why? When you die, God. You remember the story of the serpent tree? God gave them the 5 bags of corn. Here is 2, and here is 1. Okay. And here, ang 5 nag-umpe, ang 2 nag-umpe, and here is not nag-umpe. And what did he do? He was busy. He cared for the 5. He cared. He did not lose it. He did not waste it, but he cared and not add and become 10. So ang 2, the same, he cared. He did not waste it, he did not lose it, he did not break it, and he cared. And then nag-add, nag-become 4. Remember the story? And then ang 1, what did he do? he did not care. So the same. Okay? When the master came and then the two the same. I care. I did not waste, I did not lose. So I care ang two nag-become four. And then the master, wow, thank you. You are good and faithful servant. What did he do? Out. No, why do we train? Why we train? Kasi we purpose that you will become. Now we teach, we train. Why ang purpose you, JD, mag-become a faithful. Si Danilo mag-become faithful. Si Nilo mag-become faithful. Why? Last. Now you understand. Kasi now si Nilo doon sa Manila, si Ricardo ng ganyan. Where is the faithfulness? Yes, that is why it's important is faithfulness. That is why si Jerusalem, I teach, I train, my goal, my purpose, that you will become faithful in the church. Kasi you will die. You will die and you met Jesus. Ah! That is why in the future, if you die and you are faithful, si Jerusalem, I smile. I will do like that. I make because he is faithful. So please, si Jerusalem, my advice. What? You the example of makamit. Si Jerusalem kasi is VIP there. I did not have answer and they give me money. Now you understand. So if you are faithful, when you arrive in heaven, God will reward you. Why? Ay mercy ang the pastor nga nag-absent sa training. We will meet Jesus. That is why you all of you read here, that is in the book of Proverbs chapter 27 verse 23 to 27, that typo yan important ang past. Okay. Yan why si Jerusalem I don't absent, I continue faithful kasi important need care, need. Okay. That is why I have this calendar that later I will explain. Yeah, kasi this is the word ng God. This is the word ng God of Ethiopia. the word not God but is training. Kawawa yung mga deaf na focus sa ganyan-ganyan tsaka na ganyan kawawa. Merciful deaf nga nagganyan-ganyan nga nag-focus dun sa ganyan-ganyan. Merciful souls. So I hope and pray that you understand that, huh? That you understand that need. We care, we need. Faithful, what not absent. Yeah? Kasi when, for example, ang father mag-absent, ang mother mag-absent, wala, I understand. That is why ang mother nga bird at saka ang father nga bird yan faithful yun sa mga bata. So ang church is the same. It's important ang pastor yan faithful para mag-care. We are privileged have this nga nagaganon nga nag-care. Other than sa mga deaf dyan nga other may nag-care how? Wala. But here we have nag-care and we have to thank God for that. We thank God that we are right why care. So for all of you that are come here, thank you si Jennifer at saka si thank you. You are very far but you remember important we try. Now you are alive. Not yet. Kawawa si Nilo. Kawawa. Mag-pen. You know why? Why nga nag-pen? Kasi si Ricardo nag-story ang gana bangga. I don't know that. Yes. Yeah, last year. Kasi kayo dapat mag-faithful need. Kasi if you mag-faithful need, ang guardian mag-care. Kaya, if you are not faithful, bangga ka dyan. It's like that. That is important. We care. Now, in verse 23 it says here, please attention. Now, this is a comparison. Ang pastor, you are the boss, you are the shepherd. Ang member are the sheep. So, for example, si Tusalem ang teacher, ang student are the sheep. And careful, you need. That is why here's a band. Si Tusalem, what do? I do like that. I want to know. So si Sarah Hub, I want to know. Yeah, it's like that. I need to know. Why, if you know, then you can care. It's like that. So my question is, you need to know, and then if you know, then you care for them. Now then she says important you check. Yeah, important you check. That is the meaning. Si Tusalem, I sign. You do like that. Why you check? How is their life? Now in verse 24 it says why the rich that continue forever, sorry cannot. So if you link with that, meaning the good, the rich, the fine, the strong, the anything, sorry is not a permanent not. So now if you are young, you are strong, and later on yan, sorry, mag-become ka weak. If now your eyes, kasi you are young, later yan, mag-become yan, and you are blind. Now that you are young, you are handsome, later on yan, mag-become ka old, mag-ganon. Now you are rich in the future, mag-become ka poor. Now that you are well in the future, yan mag-become ka sick. Sorry, everything is that yet permanent? Not. That is why it says here. So he compares a government. It's the same. That is why in the government there's and then it says, sorry, everything has limit. That is why here, for the month of March, ito sorry, I thank God for helping me na complete. Our theme is about God. It's different. Again, I repeat, ang God is different sa man. Okay? Ang God is permanent. Ang man is limit. Ang God is right. Ang man is wicked. Now I understand. That is why, sorry, ang wicked cannot mag-permanent. Dapat. Ang God is right. Okay. Suffer ang people. Kasi you're wicked. You will persecute. You do like that. So dapat mag-permanent work. It is why si Tusalem ay isip, ang mga death ng mga wicked si Tusalem I do like that. Why sorry, that is it's not so permanent. Now let us go to verse 25. Attention. You know the hay? You know, what does it mean ng hay? Hindi alam. I will explain. Ang hay, it is first you have the wheat, na plant nga gumaganyan-ganyan. Okay? Pagkatapos maganyan yan, right? And then you do like that. So mag-become sa brown. Okay? And then they do like that. Sa Filipino culture, you have like that at sa kami ganan. See that one, and they do like that. Nag-become sang ganyan. Yes, like that. Okay. Ang word dyan is the hay. You know why? Kasi that one is the food for the cow, so the food for the kalabaw. You remember the sugar cane? You remember that? Matamis. They are the same. Matamis yan. That is why the cow. Yan ang kalabaw yan. Kasi it's sweet. And it is food. So in America, they have the snow. They save that one. And then when there is snow, and then they do like that sa cow. Now sa China, what they did, the hyenas, they do that, and they do like that, and they become food, and they do like that for the cow. So that is the hay. So the hay, through you remove, and kasi ang hay, the rice na you do like that, and then nagumaganyan, right? No, and then maganyan yan si Ramiro alam, and then maganyan yan brown. When you remove that, and then the grass yan maganong-ganon. Alright, yes. Kasi when you do like that, ang grass yan maganyan, mag-become yan white, and later on when you remove, mag-become yan green. Okay, so it's like that. You say, so the time that the hay you remove, and then the grass will appear new, green. Okay, and the hills and the grass, they will gather, finish. And then you see that, and in verse 26, and the lamb, his own wool. He had the wool of the lamb, his own wool. He had like that. You can make as the clothes, and then add, and then your goat, you sell, and the money you can buy the field. Okay, so if you try to analyze this one, yes, like that. In verse 24, it says everything is limited, there is no permanent. And then it says here, and when the time he's talking about the hay, okay, the hay. Actually, ang hay, I think the sign is like that. Yeah, kasi another word for that is straw. Yeah, no, it's do like that. Yes, yes, yes. Straw, yeah, the same. The straw. Yeah, it's like that. And then when the straw you gather and you remove, and then things like that. And then the lamb is talking about the wool. Kasi all of that meaning yan is, it's if you take care, meaning yan you do not waste. If you take care, meaning yan you profit. So the land you take care, and then the grass mag-grow, and the sheep you take care, and then profit ka, you have the wool, and then you make us clothes. And if you're the goat you take care, you can sell it, and then you have the money and profit ka, magkabay ka ng field. And this is the last. So meaning, strong. Now if you do like that, everything from the verse 23 to 27 here, you care. Now if you care, you profit. Now, so you understand, you summarize. So the same with the pastor. If you care, the member God bless, and the member will give you chicken. 100% profit. Now you understand. So that is the meaning. If you care, ang last niyan you have profit. But if you are dumb, you are fools, you do like that, mag-absent ka, tsaka mag-ganyan-ganyan kanya, ang last of what? Now, ang church in the world, the Christian now, like that. Ang nagaganon ang mga Mormons, nagaganyan ang mga Muslim, gumaganyan ang mga ganon, gumaganyan. Why? I will explain. Now the world nagbecome evil. Okay? Now if you are evil, the devil yan will bless you at saka maganon ka. But if you are not evil, you are not, the devil mag-persecute you at saka magganyan ka. So now ang nag-improve the Mormons, mga ganon, kasi they are fake, they are cult, they are evil. So the devil bless them. So they do like that. But ang Christian yan, the devil persecute. At saka gumaganyan. Is it right or is it wrong? It is not. It is not God's own will nga magganyan ka na. Ang God's ganyan-ganyan, magganyan ka na. Ang God yan not sa negative na. Ang God yan is positive. So meaning, ang God purpose yan mag-bless. That is why we have the word that teach you. If deaf you obey God, nag-false ka wag, mag-religion ka wag, mag-obey ka sa God, mag-faithful God nik. All of you please stop, mag-heart wag. I observe. Faithful not. sorry, forgive me. I observe. You are not faithful not. Why like that? Why? Attention. No. Kasi the problem ng depth. Ito sa ang depth problem. Kasi ang faithful yan, walang yan may nagabada. Now, ito sa may observe your life. What ang nagabother? What? Can you tell me? You evaluate your life. What can you tell me? Yeah, it's okay. Now, you Martin. Yes. That is the one. The first ang Christian, first ang nagabother is the family. How about ang Catholic? Kasi wala man ang family, wala. Kasi ang wrong ng Catholic, the doctrine is wrong. That is why God cannot bless. Ang Christian, the darkness, right? But ang problem is the family. That is ang wrong. That is why nag-limit. So sorry. Now the Bible always explain. Sa kay Jesus nag-baderhab, wala. Sa kay Paul nag-baderhab, wala. Sa kay Peter nag-baderhab, wala. Actually si Peter have wife have, but it did like that. Si Peter nag-live as if that he's single. Walang may nagaganyan, ganyan. Wala. Forgive me, that is example. Ano na mag-matter yan? Si JD, nag-serious mo yan. that is why yesterday I saw si NG. Nagbasa, tama, mag-bother, wag. But wrong na ganyan kay Kristo mo sa terminal. No, you understand. That is our problem. So the question what to do? Kasi now, ito sila my study, I learn. All na Christian church, all yan gumaganya. That is hearing. Copy mo yan? Ito sila I teach you. We have to learn. You don't copy. Why? Kasi God make that. Why God make that? Why? Para mag-copy sa hearing? No. Ang God make that para yung purpose yan mag-separate. Mag-different. So that is what we need to do. That is why it's important. Yes, you have the wife. Yes, but you should not walk. The family. Yes, but the walk. I do like that. Kasi why when you die, what? I will be responsible maganyan ng papel at saka ang picture lagay dyan. And then people will so I have to make the last of news. I absent. Why? Remember si Swerte namatay. At saka si Roger namatay. I stuck. I cannot make. Now January again, I stuck. I have picture then I stuck. Why? Simba din namatay. Remember that? Oh, that is my problem. When you deaf, when you die, that is a problem. Kasi I stuck. What will I write? What? You are not faithful. I do like that. No, kasi si Tuslim ay no, Andrew is a little bit different. Kasi si Tuslim I make that the news that is purpose yan, that is the testimony of God's work. Okay, I say, okay. So when the death die, I have to write the good, not bad, not. Ang God may bad, but dun sa God wala. So I have to write the good, but care for people. Care. Why? Please don't be hurt. When you are faithful to your home, sorry, ang God yan. Again, I told you, when you are faithful to your wife, when you are faithful to your children, sorry ang God. Forgive me, sorry. Our theme in the month of March is God. He is not man. Okay, again I repeat, God. He is not man. That's yours. That's your own. Kung nga na ganyan, ikaw. Ang God na gaganyan, wala man na. Ikaw. Actually, attention kayo. Ang ganyan. Ang wrong ng world, they did not teach them about God. Tama. So all they don't know God. Sayang. Kasi ang ganyan, God yan nag-give. And when nagganyan, nag-grow, nag-become evil, and they don't know God. Ang wrong who? Yes. The mother. That is why when the death ng ganyan, you have to thank God kasi God gave. Ang problem is the mother, the father. They did not teach. That's one. Sometimes the mother, father teach. Yes. But kasi nag-decide, ayaw din. Away. It's like sayang kasi when God He permit nga magganyan, ang God nag-hope na Himself mag-decide sa God. But sorry kasi ang world na ganyan, so nag-become siya ng to the world. Ang God, it's okay that you decide. Ang God, He does not force. So our responsibility is again to care. Now, I remember here when we touched the Talipan 2, si Tusalim at saka si JT nagplant ng papaya, 50. And si Tusalim, I care, I put the water, and then si JT na ganyan ng pataba, nagtaba ng ganyan ng chicken. All namatay na left dyan isa. Dyan isa. Yung gumaganyan dyan. No, you understand. So sometimes we care, but sorry kasi the devil take them. Okay. Before you are many that to solid care, ang later na ganyan. Why? Kasi the devil take. So it's okay. But we will continue to care. So I hope that's what we learn here. We care, why we profit. So now si Tusalim gumaganyan pagkatapos now you understand. That is the meaning. If you are faithful, ang last dyan, you have profit. And we thank God. So now we will celebrate the birthday of the death maol nga sa February, tama? Yaon ni si Malu isa, no? At saka si MJ. Wow, okay. What ang date na MJ? February 2. Si Malu 7, right? 27. 20 yes. Wow, si Malu. Yesterday 27. Ho pa?
Mana? Tatlo.
February what? Two? The same KMG na ganyan? Wow, twin. Wow, beautiful. Now, you know what does it mean ng ganyan? Ito sila na-explain. Ang ganyan, ang meaning yan, God is. Remember? Oh. And then when you do like that, sometimes you are foolish, sometimes wrong. But God, what did you do like that? Have? Wala. Why? That's one. Ang second, ang meaning ng ganyan, that God gave you. You are wrong, God. Our foolish God. He understood. Our weakness, God give you the strength. Our dumb, God give you chance, you will become wise. Ang kulang-kulang, God bless have enough. Why? Kasi God cares. God. So now we do like that in prayer, and we thank God that God is faithful for MG, God is faithful for Malu, and God is faithful for Leia. Other dyan, wala. Ayan. True, si Junil is also February, but si Junil nag-stop. At saka si JR sa Ilocos? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Si JR the same. I don't know if there is JR here. Are absent. So sorry, you are not faithful, not. Yeah, so that is why it's important that that is faithful. Kasi God is good, and God is faithful. So dapat we do like that. And God is going to be faithful. Okay, so we thank God. Say to Salim, I will pray for especially kay MG, sa kay Leia, at saka kay at saka ala, it's okay. At saka kay si JR, sa other wala. Si Maria Raquel? Si Maria Raquel? This February also? Yeah, but the problem is they are absent, so they are not here. So I'm sorry. Kasi if you're absent and then wala ka profit, wala. Yeah. So we have si MG, si Malu, at saka si Leia. At si JR ay wala din si JR. I'm sorry. That is why si Salim, I want it. Please be faithful. Kasi when you are faithful, then you are not absent, wala, save profit. Kasi attention. Ang God's blessing is like the water. That you do like that. Okay? So if there is a plant, then we do like that. We don't. Oh. So, MG, show your face at everybody. Si Malu at saka si Leia. Come on. Yeah, yeah. So you have the donkey, you have the sheep, you have the goat, and you have the name of the cattle. All yan meaning that is example that we compare us the church member that the pastor care. Okay, it's compare. Right now, I want to explain. So later on, when I explain, and you learn, and then you do like that, and you explain to others. They do like that, and then you do like that. Yeah. Before I did not explain. Now I have to explain. Yeah. Before si Ricardo have kasi absent sa wala. Dapat may isang nag-help. Sila Arnie nag-question. Arnie, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Arnie, for that comment. That is why the meaning Sito Salim I sign every month like that. Dapat ang pastor mag-come. Kasi we train. There is problem in the church. That is why Sito Salim I informed the deaf pastor before I informed. Now there's some of the church that they want to do like that. It's okay, fine, leave them alone. Now if the deaf church not to you honest, you want to do like that. Why? Because here in Talipan, God's purpose is to care for the pastor. Ang Talipan, God's purpose is to care for the church. But ang pastor nag-absent, nagaganyan-ganyan. So it's okay, we do not force. So if your church, ang pastor nagkam wala, so meaning, we do like that, you away. Yeah. So if your problem have, I'm sorry, you don't do like that to us, so we cannot help you. But if you do like that to us, yes, we will help. Why? We care. We care. See that? So Arne, I'm sorry kasi your church you don't do like that sa wala. You do not come wala. So sorry. And then what does it mean? Kawawa. Because here we care. The church we care. Your problem we care. So if you're pastor, you come here and we will help, we will teach, we will care. But if the deaf want maganyan your own, it's okay, fine. We don't oppose, we'll leave you, go ahead. We will not bother. We will not bother. Wala, then it's okay, you go ahead with yourself. But sorry, your problem will become your own. Sorry, we cannot help. But when you come, Sito Salim, I help, I do like that. The pastor, I do like that. I explain your problem and anything. Like example one, si Ivan, say she came, then Sito Salim, I do like that. His problem and differing, I help, we care. But if you do like that, so sorry, who mag-care to you, wala, then bahala ka, and then you die. And then you ask Sito Salim, maganyan-ganyan. And then I stop. Because I don't know you. But when you come, I do like that, I know you. And then happen you die, I do like that kasi I know you. But if you do like that, I'm sorry, I don't know you. Now you understand. So sorry Arne, sorry. Kasi ang your place, I don't, wala, terrain ng pastor, wala. So, all might be lost. Yeah, it's like that. So sorry for that. Sayang. That is why I want na mo si, when you will come, we will train you, we will help you. Why, here, we care. And we love you, all of you. But, sorry, we cannot help. Sayang. Actually, La Arnie, I want to do like that. But my life may rough. I want to do like that for a help. But I stuck. I stuck. It's hard. My life is difficult. I have no time. Very hard life. I have to be responsible all of my life. I cook everything I want. So I stuck. And I do like that and I teach. So I stuck. I have no time mag-out. Wala. So very hard. Sorry so much. But if sana you come and we will help you. Yeah. Yesterday, beautiful the ni Ivan, we do like that and his life. I do like that and then help his life. I'm beautiful kay Ivan. So I hope he goes so much life. God bless. Yeah. So that is the meaning. Sayang. Yeah, sorry La Arnie. Ang church need the pastor nga religion na. Ang church need the pastor that is responsible nga nagaganyan-ganyan not mag-religion na. Ang church need the pastor nga responsible that is trained nga magganyan-ganyan. Ang church need the pastor that love the member. Ang church need the pastor that care. Teach. Not mag-religion. I'm sorry kasi ang deaf marami nagapastor is only religion. So, nothing lang. Sorry La Arnie, sorry. Sayang, I want to help you. Sorry, ang God He want isa. Wait, now you understand. So stop now. Stop. Yes, La Arnie, I'm sorry. We are sad for that. So I hope the deaf you come because we want to help you. At saka La Arnie, ang problem kasi La Arnie, you are not pastor, you are not. La Arnie, you are right. But sorry kasi ang responsible the pastor, you not. Yeah? So La Arnie, we are sorry. It's sad, yes. Sayang. That is why important is the pastor name. All of you understand? That is why all na pastor kawawa kasi God will judge you when you die and you met Jesus. We thank you so much for the learning. So all of you in the band, thank you that you learn. So please, your life hard. Please learn. Salang. Faith will stop until you die. I wish. Yeah, the same. God wants proof. And beautiful is proof. Up. And we thank you so much. We will close us in a prayer.